Hey guys, it's Jess for Reneo Foil Paper, and today we are going to be making some really cute Valentine tags. So you can give them out as Valentines to your loved ones or perfect for kids to give at school. So we're going to be using the Love Variety Pack today. That includes the Ruby, Fuchsia, and Blush foil papers. You're also going to need a Valentine's theme stamp set and some heart dies. And of course, some ink. I also am using some different assorted tags for all the different sizes. And you'll need some trim or some ribbon to tie at the top of your tags. So to begin with, I just cut an assorted amount of shapes of the hearts. And you're gonna need, for each heart, we're gonna be making kind of this pop-up heart, you're gonna need you're gonna need 4 hearts, sorry. And so we will start with a larger one here. And so we'll set this aside. So once you have your hearts die cut, I didn't record that part because I thought that might be a little boring for you. We're gonna fold these in half and then we're gonna glue them together. So it's nothing really too complicated. You're just gonna fold them good side in because we're gonna be gluing the outside edges together. So we're just gonna fold them and make sure they're pretty close to exact in half. You can use a bone folder if you need to. I am just eyeballing it here. And one more. And they don't all have to be the same color. They can be. I'm using both the Starstruck and the Glossy. So you're gonna fold them open and then you're just gonna glue the sides together, but we're gonna leave the back side flat. So I'm just gonna use my regular tape to glue them. Liquid glue you could use, but I found it was just it took a little bit too long to dry for my liking. So we're just going to glue those edges together, just like that. And I like to put the Starstruck sides together, but you could put the glossy sides together. You could have them all the same texture and color if you'd like. And then when you open it up, you've got this half 3D pop-up star. Now if you have a little bit of the gold showing, you can trim it off if you wanted to. And then we're just gonna adhere that to the tag shortly. But first we're gonna do the stamping part. So because my tag is going to be like that, I'm gonna stamp it about there. So we're just using a Valentine stamp set. And I think I'm going to, this one is kind of a sarcastic one. So it's got some funny sentiments on it. And I think I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to use some red ink. You could use black. You could use whatever color that you wanted to show up on here. It's kind of a funny, roses are red, violets are blue, I'd rather be single than be with you. So it's kind of like an anti-Valentine's Day. And then we're going to glue down our heart. Open that up. Now, obviously, if you are making these for your kiddos to take to school, you're going to want to use more of an age-appropriate tag, but I just thought that one was kind of funny. And you know, there's always your single friend or somebody who just got over a bad breakup that might want to play around with that sentiment. But of course, you could use the lovey-dovey ones, or the candy heart, you know, to you from me kind of thing. And then you're just going to put whatever trim you want through the top there. And then the cool thing about this is it actually will lay flat. So you could stick it in an envelope if you wanted to mail it. They could use it as a bookmark after if they wanted to. You could write something on the back. But there you have it, a very, very quick and easy Valentine's Day project for you to do this Valentine's Day, even if you don't have a Valentine. Have a good day, everybody. Be sure to subscribe for more new and exciting videos from Rania. See you again soon. Bye-bye.